In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly Go for crafting, rewriting, and polishing emails, along with some best practices and important things to keep in mind. Whether you're writing a quick note to a colleague or drafting a formal message for your manager, Grammarly Go can be a helpful tool to make sure you communicate your ideas clearly and effectively. First things first, ensure that Grammarly is installed on your device. This could be the browser extension or the desktop version. Also, you need to verify that Grammarly Go, which is the generative AI assistant within Grammarly, is enabled in your account. Once you've got that set up, we'll move on to the next steps. Head over to your email client. Perhaps you're using Gmail in a browser. You can either start composing a new email or open a reply that you're working on. Within the Compose window or via the Grammarly sidebar, keep an eye out for the Grammarly Go icon. It's usually represented by a light bulb symbol or a prompt field. Now here's where the fun begins. Use a prompt to instruct Grammarly Go on what you'd like to achieve. For example, you could type, "Draft an email to my manager, thanking them for the support and proposing next steps." If you're working on an existing draft and feel like it needs a bit of tweaking, highlight your draft and then prompt Grammarly Go with something like, "Rewrite this email to sound more friendly and concise." Once Grammarly Go generates the text for you, it's important to review it carefully. Sift through the content to pick out what resonates best with you. Refine the parts to match your personal voice, checking to ensure that the email covers all key points like the recipient's name, intent of the email, and any action items. This step is crucial because, while Grammarly Go can provide an excellent starting point, your personal touch will make the communication more authentic. After you're satisfied with your draft and made any necessary edits, it's time to run Grammarly's regular checks. These checks help ensure your email is grammatically correct, clear, concise, and matches the intended tone. Once everything looks perfect, you're ready to send off your polished email with confidence. Remember, while Grammarly Go is a powerful tool, the final responsibility for the content lies with you. Its role is to assist and enhance your writing, giving you the creative freedom to refine it as needed. Embrace the technology, but always let your unique voice shine through.